Creating a product for people and planet is not easy. This took us a while.
Yes, about 2 years ago, you came up to me and you said, I want to stop transporting water all around the world.
This is why with Ere, where we talk about why products get created. This is our beautiful, brand new Micellar Cleanser. It's such a gorgeous product, and I got here with me a beautiful Portia. We've been together for a while, working together in your products. An Australian beauty who loves beauty. We did have a Micellar water before, and now it's a Micellar Cleanser. Why?
So the first, I guess, major difference of our old one, that might seem a bit strange at first, is we're actually selling you an empty bottle. But the reason for this is we have this brand new innovation, which is just so cool to see. They're going to be now with 3 tablets. So this is now going to be a refillable bottle with 3 tablets, 100 mils making each. Now you'll have 300 mils of micellar water in your small 100 ml bottle.
People want less plastic. We want less things going to the landfill. The micellar water is a formula that is not like a cleanser, it's not like a soap. It goes very, very inside your little pores to really remove everything. So remove makeup, remove dirt is the #1 priority of this product on your skin. So this is 300 ml bottle, 200 ml bottle, and this is 100 ml bottle. How amazing is that in this box you can find with these 3 tablets the same as this. So we have water, your beautiful potable water that you can drink obviously wherever you are, and then you pour it into the bottle, then you put 1 tablet inside, close it, and let it sit 4 hours.
4 hours minimum, but yeah, 4 to 6 hours to make sure it's all fully dissolved.
This is beauty at its best. Beauty innovation when we just transporting these 3 tablets instead of a very big bottle. So it's easy and you can travel with it. You don't need to buy another bottle for traveling. We don't need to sell you another big bottle and small bottle and family bottle. What is the beauty of the packaging?
Yeah, so we've now able to make it PCR, which is post-consumer recycled plastic. From PET, so not only will it be recyclable for future use, it already has been recycled, so that's already another great step forward in the sustainability.
I love that it has no fragrance.
No fragrance, so it's great for sensitive skin.
Great for sensitive skin.
And eyes.
And eyes. Well, eyes is very important because I have sensitive eyes. That's how I created my first mascara for me, for my sensitive eyes. But now, the good thing is also nutritive ingredients. Can you please help me to explain the ingredients because they're amazing?
Of course. So we've brought back the ginkgo, which we had in our last formula as well. So the ginkgo biloba, it's actually one of the oldest extracts we use in cosmetics. Very high antioxidant profile. We've got clary sage, which is a fun ingredient we haven't worked with in the past. That is going to help balance the skin and refine the pores and clarify. We have Cargella africana, which is all sausage tree. So that's native to Africa and that's been used for centuries to help firm skin and just keep it rejuvenated. And we also have a little bit of cinnamon bark in there at a very safe level. So again, it's good for sensitive skin, but that's going to help boost circulation and keep the product nice and fresh.
These ingredients are fabulous. They're good for the skin. They're nourishing. They're lovely. They're rejuvenating. But the best of all, we're helping our planet. Creating a product for people and planet is not easy. This took us a while.
Yes, about 2 years ago, you came up to me and you said, I want to stop transporting water all around the world. The 200 mils that we had before. So yeah, that
was a bestseller.
Yeah.
That was a tough decision. That everybody loved this product.
Yeah.
We sell so many bottles of it. So now you can get your little envelope and transport these little tablets and keep on putting in the same bottle again and again and again and again and again. And I feel that we look into people's routines. We study this with all the team, with the different ages, different generations. Everybody have different ways, and the ingredients in this product are so good, and it will help you to clean your skin without making it dry. So if you have oily skin, we got you. If you have natural normal skin, also we got you. If you have dry skin, we got you too, because this will not dry your skin, will not strip it. All the products in the market, most of them, they just have a lot of ingredients that maybe is not good for you, like phenoxyethanol. Most of micellar waters, they have alcohol. A lot of other ingredients are undesirable. This is a gorgeous product, toxin-free, safe formula that is good for you and for the planet because it's less plastic. I hope you guys appreciate our efforts because we really, really do care what we're doing and join us in the journey also to clean up our oceans with all the plastic that we have out there. So hopefully this lasts.